Hey there, welcome to Fitri. In this video, we'll be exploring the world of intermittent fasting and uncovering some surprising benefits that you might not have known about. Intermittent fasting is a dietary pattern that involves alternating periods of fasting and eating, and it's been gaining popularity in recent years for its potential health benefits. So, what are some of the advantages of intermittent fasting? Let's dive in and find out. Weight loss. One of the most well-known benefits of intermittent fasting is weight loss. By reducing your calorie intake and increasing fat burning, intermittent fasting can help you shed those extra pounds and achieve a healthier body weight. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for people with type 2 diabetes. By regulating blood sugar levels, intermittent fasting can also reduce the risk of developing diabetes in the first place. Lower inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to a range of health problems, from heart disease to cancer. Intermittent fasting can help lower inflammation in the body and improve overall health. Better brain function. Intermittent fasting has been shown to boost brain function, including memory and learning. It may also reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Increased lifespan. Some studies have suggested that intermittent fasting can increase lifespan by promoting cellular repair and reducing oxidative stress. Improved heart health. Intermittent fasting can improve heart health by reducing blood pressure, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol levels. Enhanced immune system. Intermittent fasting may also boost the immune system, which can help protect against illness and disease. Promotes autophagy. Autophagy is the body's natural process of cleaning out damaged cells and replacing them with new ones. Intermittent fasting has been shown to promote autophagy, which can help improve cellular function and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Increased metabolism. Intermittent fasting can increase metabolism by up to 14%, which can help you burn more calories and lose weight more effectively. Better sleep. Finally, intermittent fasting may improve sleep quality by regulating circadian rhythms and reducing the risk of sleep disorders. So, those are just 10 surprising benefits of intermittent fasting, and that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.